Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this BLACKVIEW. Firstly, access calendar and then tap on the month above. Now you can select your month and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. When you're ready, create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tapping on Event. Now adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title. Over here, pick starting hour and ending one. You can also disable this feature completely by choosing this switcher next to all day. Then scroll down, choose does not repeat and select one of those options if you want your events to repeat, for example, every year. Now you can set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, take notes, add location over here, choose why you're using the app or only this time, type in an address, and click on the correct one. Then save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it, then select pen icon at the top right corner over here and make your changes. After that, you need to select Save. I will change my title, for example, and select Save at the top right corner. If you wish to get rid of it, though, you can do that by tapping on it, clicking on those three dots here, tapping on Delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!